Good morning to your students. Myself is Deepti from Deep Scroll Bag. In today's lecture, we are continuing the reading of Geography Chapter 4 Natural Resources, Minerals and Power Resources. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the distribution of minerals in the world. So, as we know that rocks have one or more minerals, and the minerals may or may not be commercially gainful. These are the main mined only in the those area where they occur as rich ores. The mineral resources are not distributed evenly on the earth's surface. We will study some of the important ones in detail. First of all is the iron. Iron is the most important mineral in the world, as iron make up the 5% of the earth outer crust, and the ore can be commercially exploited to are founded in a few regions. So main producers of the iron is Russia, China, India, USA, Ukraine, Canada, Sweden, Germany, South Africa, Brazil, Australia, and uh, Libya, whereas Russia is the highest reservoir of the iron ore, whereas the China is the largest producer of iron in the world. Next is the manganese. Manganese is widely used for making good quality steel and for making alloy, and it is also used in the enameling dry batteries, glazed pottery, and plastic chemicals, etc. And Russia is the largest producer of manganese in the world. Other producers includes India, Brazil, China, Mexico, South Africa, Australia, Morocco, Ghana, Congo, and Japan. Copper. As we know that the copper is the first metal which we have which humans used it from ancient time. So it is widely used for uh, making alloys such as bronze, brass, German silver, etc. by mixing with other metals. Copper is a good conductor of electricity, and it is also used for the electric items also, and it is also generally combined with iron, silver, gold, lead, etc. So main producer countries of copper is Chile, USA, Russia, Canada, Zaire, Zambia, Australia, Peru, and China. India does not produce enough copper. So India may copper is produced, but it is not in a large quantity. Copper is produced in India. Bauxite. This is an ore of aluminium. So aluminium is obtained when the bauxite is refined. सो एलुमिनियम इज़ डायरेक्टली फाउंड नहीं होता है आपके अर्थ क्रस्ट में से, ये बॉक्साइट और में से रिफाइंड करके देन वी गेट द एलुमिनियम. It is a light in weight and good conductor of heat and electricity. It is mainly used for the railway coaches, aeroplanes, bodies, utensils, chemical transmissions wire, scientific tools, building, construction, pipes, all such things which are very important, and we need it to be light weighted. So main producer of bauxites are Australia, Suriname, Zambia, Indonesia, Russia, Guyana, Venezuela, Malaysia, India, and Greece. Tin. Tin, it is widely used in glavashing and soldering. ग्लावेशनिंग एंड सोल्डरिंग का मतलब होता है किसी चीज़, सोल्डरिंग यानी किसी जैसे कि वो सर्किट्स को जोड़ने के लिए एक मेटल्स यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग. वो बहुत ही सॉफ्ट मेटल होता है, जल्दी से पिघल जाता है. सो टिन इज़ द दैट टाइप ऑफ मेटल दैट वी कैन यूज़ फॉर joining the small circuits or things. It is used for making alloys such as bronze and other and type of metal. And the main producer of tin are Malaysia, China, Bolivia, Indonesia, Thailand, Nigeria, and Congo. Other producers are Australia, Brazil, and Zaire. Nickel. It is a hard silvery metal which does not rust. It रस्ट यानी कि इस पर जंग लगना, ठीक है, या ऑक्सीडेट होना. इट इज़ फाउंड इन द एसोसिएशन विथ कॉपर एंड इट इज़ यूज फॉर मेकिंग स्टील मेकिंग एंड स्पेशली स्टेनलेस स्टील में बनाने के लिए निकल का यूज़ होता है. एंड कनाडा इज़ द लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ निकल, वेयर एज अदर कंट्रीज लाइक रशिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, क्यूबा, फिलीपाइंस, साउथ अफ्रीका एंड इंडोनेशिया ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूस nickel. Gold has been known as the used from the earliest days due to its high metallic luster and its attractive yellow reddish color. And it is a precious metal as we use it for the for jewelry making and other important things. South Africa is the largest producer of the gold in the world, whereas other countries like China, Japan, USA, Philippines, Zimbabwe, Ghana, Russia, Mexico, China, Indonesia, and India also produce gold in some quantity. Next is mica. Mica is a non-conductor of electricity and it is largely used in the electrical goods industry. It is also used for making paints, varnishes, medicines, and lubricants. So, main producer of mica is India, Norway, South Africa, Brazil, Malaysia, Canada, USA, Russia, etc. Whereas USA is the largest consumer of mica in the USA is not the largest producer of mica, where it is the largest consumer of mica in the world. So this was the distribution of some important metals in the world. In next lecture we are going to read about the power resources of the world. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.